Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Want perfectly cooked, juicy sausages every single time, right from your stove top. This simple, reliable method guarantees a delicious meal without any guesswork. You'll achieve a beautifully browned exterior and a perfectly tender, cook-through interior. Forget about dry or unevenly cooked links. We're going for maximum flavor and an ideal texture today. Get ready to elevate your breakfast or dinner with ease. Before you begin, gather your few essential tools for success. You'll need a good, sturdy skillet. A cast iron or heavy-bottomed pan works best for even heat distribution. Also, grab a small amount of cooking oil, such as vegetable or olive oil, about 1 or 2 tablespoons. Make sure your sausages are thawed if they were frozen, as this ensures even cooking. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Place your skillet over medium heat and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil shimmers, carefully lay your sausages into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd them. Give each sausage a little space to breathe for optimal browning. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, gently turning them with tongs until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust all around. Once your sausages are nicely browned on all sides, it's time to cook them completely through. Pour about 1/4 cup of water into the hot pan and quickly cover it with a lid. Reduce the heat to low. This creates steam that gently cooks the sausages from the inside out, keeping them wonderfully juicy. Let them steam for 8 to 12 minutes, ensuring they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. After steaming, remove the lid and increase the heat back to medium-high. This final step is crucial. It helps evaporate any remaining water and allows the casings to crisp up to perfection again. Cook for just 1 or 2 more minutes, turning as needed until they look irresistible. Once done, transfer them to a plate and let them rest for a few minutes off the heat. This simple rest ensures maximum juiciness and flavor in every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.